Good morning. Today I just wanted to share with you what I'm working on this morning. This is another one of Jennifer from A Trace of Sparkle. This is another one of her kits, the one I was telling you about that I wanted to start after the one I showed you yesterday, the lace kit. This one has a lot of color, which I'm excited to get started. I just wanted to show you the before and the process and the things that I've gathered to pull it together, and then I'm going to show you when I complete the book. But I wanted to share with you her digitals. They are just beautiful. I've been having a good time this morning just pulling things together that match. And I was really surprised. I have quite a few things that I think will be really pretty with this collection. So I'm excited to get started. I had already started when I first printed these. I made me another lace masterboard too. Of course, I'll be putting things on top of this, but with this pink lace. So this is one of my masterboards. Thank you, Jennifer, for the idea. So I know I'll have fun with that. Let me see if I can move this over this way. I'm not going to show you every little piece, but this is also part of the kit, the little fussy cuts that she included with the kit. The little butterflies, the flowers, the bows, all the little goodies. And this is just a few things I had in my stash that I pulled just with the colors that I thought would be really pretty. I have this piece of fabric that is actually a little lady's jacket. It's like a little, I don't want to pull it all apart, but it's like a little jacket that you would wear a tunic under. Anyways, the colors are perfect to go with this kit. Let me pull this paper again. The colors are so pretty with this, so I'm thinking about incorporating either making flowers, or I even consider doing some of this on the cover. So let me know what y'all think about that, because I'm undecided. I'll leave these here so you can see the colors. This is some papers that I pulled out of my collection that I thought I might incorporate. I told y'all before how I've been collecting cards for years, and I've always collected teddy bears. And so this little teddy bear card, you know, I may or may not include this, but the colors go really well. I just don't know if it would go with the theme, but it just, like I said, I just pulled some things and was just trying to match things up, and I don't know, I might do something with this. This is just some tiny papers that I had that I thought would go with the collection. Just some little tiny papers. I had this piece of vellum. I don't know if you can see. It has a rose print. I don't think the camera's going to pick it up. Maybe a little bit. Anyway, I may work this into it. These are also just some little papers. It's in the same family of colors, so I thought those might be pretty to work in. This one is a little bright, but it also goes with some of these other images in here that are kind of bright. So I thought it would blend in pretty well with some of them. I might or might not incorporate a piece of this somewhere. I have some free digitals that I printed online. Just background papers that I might incorporate. I've had these printed for a while. I'm not sure where I got them, just somewhere online. I think this wood grain is so pretty with this collection. It matches perfectly. And then these two. These two I had already printed on linen paper, so they're thicker. And then in my 12 by 12 books, I had the perfect rose to go with this collection. Let me move these out of the way. I mean, you just couldn't match any better. I mean, it is just so perfect. I'm so excited about this. So the colors are so perfect together. I'm excited to work on that. And look at these. The colors. They all just go, I think they flow very well together. So let me know what you think. I'm excited to get started on this. This will be my weekend project. And I can't wait to show you when I'm done. I hope everybody has a great weekend, and I'll see you soon. Bye.